We have completed this huge monstrosity. This gate was an 8-foot by 17 feet long. This is a double action gate where, as you can see, this is an alleyway, limited on space. You really can't have one directional opening gate. So we made a double gate here. Here's one side opening. What we did here is, even though this one has a photo eye and a closing, we also put a photo eye on opening. So for whatever reason, somebody is coming the other way in this direction and leaving the driveway, they would also sense it and it would close automatically. I'm gonna see if I can catch it in time to do that. Okay, there we go. See, I just cross the beam and it closes. So in other words, if another car is backing up here and not realizing that person is coming out, so it closes on both directions. We did a lot of electrical work here. The photo eyes, as you can see, are tiny little motor, very small but powerful. We have the secondary motor that is inside there. We also put an exit button here. This exit button controls this gate. So when you press that one, that gate opens. These are also on automatic closing. Everything came out beautiful as usual. We will see you on the next beautiful, unique installation from the Holland brand.